In this video, we are going to discuss about the important questions of module 5. In module 5, we are starting with the first question. Find the real root of an equation s log 10x is equals to 1.2 by the regular falsi method between 2 and 3. To solve this, let us consider x log 10 x is equals to 1 by 2. Transpose the 1 by 2 to left side, which is known as an x log 10 x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0, which is equals to f of x is equals to 0. Then f of x is equals to x log 10 log to the base 10 x minus 1 by 2. Then f of x is equal. Where log 10 can be written as log to the base ex and log to the base e10 minus 1 by 2. Then f of x is equals to x log to the base e x log to the base e x divided by log to the base e10. The value of this is equals to 2.3026 minus 1 by 2. Then f of x is equals to 1 by 2.3026, which is known as 0.4343 times of x log x minus 1 by 2. Then differentiate this, which is known as f dash of x is equals to 0.434. By differentiating the x log x, I am taking a constant outside, which is known as a differentiation of 1, x is equals to 1 and into second function, plus differentiation of log x, which is known as an x into first function, minus differentiation of constant is 0, which is known as an f dash of x is equals to 0.4343, 1 plus log x, and x naught is equals to 2.5. So here we need to find an x1. x1 is equals to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught, which is equals to 2.5 minus of minus f of x naught, which is f of x naught means in this value you need to substitute the x naught value, which implies that minus 0.025 divided by f dash of x naught means in this value you need to substitute the x naught value 2.5, which is known as 0.8322. Therefore x1 is equals to 2.7464, and we need to find an x2. x2 is equals to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1, which is equals to by substituting the x1 value to the above equation, these equations, and also this equation, we will get the value, which is known as 2.7407, and x3. x3 is equals to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2, which is equals to 2.405, and we need to find an x4. x4 is equals to x3 times minus of f of x3 divided by f dash of x3. The value is 2.7406 minus 0.000 divided by 0.8722, which is equals to 2.7106. Therefore the x is equals to 2.7407 is the required real root. The second type of a question asked in module 4 is by a Newton-Raphson method, find the root of an x tan x, which is nearer to x is equals to 5. I have two question based on this method, which is known as an x tan x plus 1 is equals to 0 and x tan x is equals to x. In this I am solving this question where I name as an a and a b. In this I am solving the b question, which is known as to solve this, let us consider tan x is equals to x, where x minus tan x, which is equals to 0, where f of x is equals to 0. Therefore the value of f of x is equal to x minus tan x. So when we differentiate of f of x, which is known as an f dash of x is equals to 1 minus secant square x, differentiation of tan x is equals to minus secant square x, which is known as 1 minus tan square x, which is known as minus tan square x is the answer. So and also they have given that an x naught is equals to 4.5. They have given the value of an x is equals to 4.5. Therefore x naught is equals to 4.5. And let us consider to find the value of an x1. x1 is equals to, we know that an x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. For f of x naught, which is known as, we have an equation 1 and an equation 2. Substitute the value of an x naught in an equation 1 and also substitute the value of an x naught in an equation 2. By substituting this, we get that an x1 is equals to 4.5 minus of minus 0.1373 divided by minus 0.5043. Then x1 is equals to 4.4936 is the answer. Then x2 is, which is equals to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Then x2 is, which is equals to, which is known as 4.4936 minus of minus 0.0039. By substituting the x1 value in this equation, I have get the value of 0.0009, which is known as a minus divided by minus 2.5 227 by substituting the value of an x1 in this equation have got this the answer, which is known as an x2 is equals to 4.4934 and x3. To find an x3, which is known as an x2 minus f of x1 divided by f of x2 divided by f dash of x2, which is equals to, by substituting all the values, I get the value as an x3, which is known as an 4.4934. They have said that up to a 4 decimal point, which is known as an, therefore x is equals to 4.494 is the real root.